this video, let's talk about will Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers fit the stock setup without any fender issues. Let's go. Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers perfectly fit your stock setup. If you put 20mm spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of around 40mm track width. This is effective in reducing body roll and improving handling. Whether you are upsizing your wheels, installing bigger brake calipers, or simply making your car look better, these Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers turn out the most cost-effective way to solve fitment issues. Usually, half-century Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers are machined to fit the specific vehicle hub. Most original equipped wheels are half-century. Therefore, half-century Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers allow for a stable and firm connection. The wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Bonus Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers are modern CNC machined from high-strength forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy to existing 0.02mm tolerance, and then anodizing in a durable black finish to prevent corrosion and look great. Additionally, bonus Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. This allows even clamping of the wheel spacer hub assembly, eliminating any potential vibration issues. Such half-century Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers are better. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. Bonus brand wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience, designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind. In addition, bonus Tesla Model X 20mm wheel spacers come with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nuts or ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs to fit your vehicle. They are specifically machined according to your car's specifications. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.